revision of an expression for the velocity of a particle executing simple harmonic motion. First, let us do for velocity, then we will do for acceleration. We know that according to the displacement equation, y equals a sine omega t. The displacement equation of a particle executing simple harmonic motion is y is the displacement, a is the amplitude, sine omega t. Y equals a sine omega t. Now if I want to get velocity, velocity is rate of change of displacement. Rate of change of displacement. So in order to get velocity, what I can do is I have to find the rate of change of y. That means differentiate y with respect to t. Differentiating y, differentiating with respect to t. Differentiating with respect to t. What will happen to y? Y will become dy by dt. A is a constant. Keep it as it is. What is differentiation of sine omega t? What is differentiation of sine t with respect to t? It is cos t. Similarly, sine omega t, when differentiated, you get cos omega t. In addition to that, you also have to take the differential coefficient of omega t, which is omega. So v equals, this implies v, because this component is rate of change of displacement, which can be represented as velocity. So replace dy by dt by v. A you write as it is. Differential coefficient of omega t with respect to t is omega. So omega into cos omega t. But cos omega t is square root of 1 minus sine square omega t, because cos theta is square root of 1 minus sine square theta. Therefore, cos omega t is square root of 1 minus sine square omega t. What is sine square? So, cos omega t is square root of 1 minus sine square omega t, because cos theta is square root of 1 minus sine square theta. Now for cos omega t, let's substitute the value of cos omega t as square root of 1 minus sine square omega t in the velocity equation. So in place of cos omega t, I put it as square root of 1 minus sine square omega t. Therefore, velocity of the particle executing simple harmonic motion is a, as it is, omega into square root of 1 minus sine square omega t. Now, let me multiply by a. I can write this as omega into a square into 1 minus a square sine square theta omega t, the root sign. So that if I take a square common and a square is under root, so it becomes just a here. So v equals omega into square root of a square minus a square sine square omega t. But you know that a sine omega t is y. Therefore, a square sine square omega square t can be written as y square. So v equals omega into square root of a square minus y square is the expression for the velocity of a particle executing simple harmonic motion. Remember the equation, v equals omega into square root of a square minus y square, where a is the amplitude. If you remember this diagram, a particle executing simple harmonic motion, from the mean position it undergoes a displacement in t seconds. The displacement on y-axis is y, this is y, and this is the radius, this is a, or you can mark this as a. Maximum displacement is amplitude. So here v is the velocity, omega is the angular velocity of the particle executing simple harmonic motion, a is the amplitude, y is the displacement in t seconds.